Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Thornbury today, where I usually pick up stuff from the recycling centre and from the charity shops. Today we didn't get anything in the recycling centre, but I did buy a few odds and ends in the charity shop. Obviously we might as well start off with this one on the top of the pile. I've seen wooden versions of these. You put them on a slope and they walk down. One leg's fixed and the other ones move. So it rocks its way down the slope. So it was 50p. I thought, well, yeah, we might give that one a try. I did notice as I flicked through it, Julian House. Yeah, 50p it cost me. As I flicked through it, there was one that had been cut out somewhere. Yeah, there's a bit missing there, and there's some pages been cut out there, but it looks like there's enough left for us to do something. So I might have a go at that. So that moves when you've made it, whereas this one that I picked up in a different charity shop, originally £12.99. I can never imagine that anybody ever pays full price for any of these. $16.95 in the US, but it's cut out and fold your own paper monsters. Same basic idea. In fact, I say cut out, these I think are pre-perforated. So I think you might just pop them out. Yeah, that one's coming out. Yeah. So we might have a go at that as well. Haven't done any card creations for quite a while, so I might do some of them. Oh, that was, I think that was 99p. We'll have a look in a minute, because I bought this in the same shop for £1.49. I usually buy cheap little toolboxes like this in Poundland, but they don't last very long. This one looked a little bit more substantial. Clip still works. That bit works okay. So let's have a look. Yeah, 99p for the book and £1.49 for the case. And then in another charity shop, I bought this, 50p that was. I picked it up because clearly that brass gear wheel on there, it would originally have had a motor. In fact, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it does actually say insert motor and an arrow pointing in that direction. So I suspect it came with a little detachable unit that had the motor and the battery. That looks like that says Topper, Topper. Patent pending, Japan. In the good old days when everything was made in Japan before it was all made in China. Yeah, it's a little spring clip there for actually holding the motor in place. But I thought I might just try and rig something up so we can see it go along. I think a screw, can't think what we call it now. But yeah, motor with a spiral screw on the front. Let's do that. Somebody will tell me what word it is, I've forgotten. Okay, so yeah, that was 50p. It's a metal one, it's quite nice. And then in another charity shop, 50p each, a load more Dominoes, because I've been getting interested in doing some of those toppling domino things where you line them all up and tip them over. So I wasn't going to buy them, but 50p each, I thought, yeah, that's cheaper than Poundland, which would be £1. Oh, that one's even got the instructions on how to play dominoes in German and English. So that's several sets of dominoes I've got now, so we might have another little go at setting up a domino topple effect. So that box is where I'm going to put my LiPo battery charger. I will tidy it up. B6 pocket charger. Oh yeah. Energy power system. Yeah, I should be able to put those little adapters in that. And the tray on top. Yeah, I think that'll be quite nice. This one, the catch is broken. Yeah, brilliant. So that can go in the bin. That's today's charity shop haul. Good job I didn't want to actually play dominoes with them. That set's missing 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, 0, 1, 1. Those in the wrong order, aren't they? 1, 1. And that one's missing 6, 0. Yeah, so that's missing 1, 6, 0. That one's missing 6, 5, 4, 0, 1, 1. And that set's complete. But I only want to set them up to fall over, so it's not really going to matter that there's some missing.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.